Thank you very much for joining us here on The Big Story. Let's begin the broadcast with big news that we're tracking as far as the farmers' march to Chandigarh is concerned. Amid heavy police deployment, SKM farmers stopped by the cops, barricading at Chandigarh-Mohali border. Cutting across to Pavit Kaur, my colleague joining us from Ground Zero. Pavit, good morning. We're looking at this face-off only intensify. Tell us about the current situation that's unfolding.
Exactly right now, the farmers are heading towards Chandigarh to sit and protest in Chandigarh Sector 34. But the Punjab police and its counterpart, Chandigarh police, is turning no stone unturned to stop these farmers from entering Chandigarh. So right now also in the visuals, I asked my VJ to pan the camera and show you the visuals from where you can see that the heavy deployment of police has been done so that no tractor or trolley, which the farmer had announced that they have a plan to enter Chandigarh from Mohali with tractor trolleys, and they will stage an indefinite sit-in protest at Sector 34 of Chandigarh. They are protesting for 13 demands, including a law guaranteeing minimum support price, that is MSP. However, they have not received any permission from the Chandigarh administration for the sit-in protest. Even the visuals, you can see that the heavy deployment of the police has already been done. This is the Chandigarh police who is doing this. You can see that they are checking and making sure that no protester or no farmer is entering Chandigarh via Mohali. This is the Chandigarh-Mohali border, and you can see that the frisking of every vehicle, whichever vehicle is entering Chandigarh, the frisking of the vehicles is being done. The ID cards are being checked that no miscreant, no farmer who are a part of SKM or who are a supporting body should enter Chandigarh. In the view of this, the Chandigarh have sealed all the borders, and around 2,500 security personnel are on the deployment right now to prevent farmers from entering Chandigarh. The police are checking the ID proofs of people who are travelling on bikes, cars, and even the CTU buses are being checked and frisked. Meanwhile, Joginder Singh Ugraha, the president of Bharatiya Kisan Union, that is Ekta Ugraha, has appealed to the agitating farmers to sit wherever they are being stopped. You can see that the Punjab police has already reached the Mohali-Chandigarh border, and they are making sure that no indiscipline or no protest because from Amritsar we are expecting that on the Golden Gate a huge protest will be taking place anytime soon whenever the protesting farmers will reach the site. So this comes after a meeting which was shared by CM Bhagwant Mann with the protesting farmers, who seeked a meeting with Mann and farmers for around 2 to 3 hours had a meeting, but no conclusion was drawn from the meeting, after which the CM left the meeting in between, and agitating farmers said that they will continue their protest and they will be entering Chandigarh via Mohali, Zirapur and other places, and they will do a sit-in protest in Chandigarh Sector 34 rally ground. But no permission from the Chandigarh administration has been granted to them, and even since last night, all the protesting farmer leaders, the famous faces of this union, are being taken into custody. Some are being placed under house arrest. So to make sure that no ruckus is created, because people are also facing a lot of difficulties, because 12 routes have been diverted in Chandigarh, and Chandigarh being the hub of the offices, there is the Chandigarh Secretariat, the Punjab Secretariat, even Haryana government offices are in Chandigarh. So they get disturbed very abruptly. Even these diversions, they make a huge traffic jams. So people, the common people, are facing a lot of difficulties because they have to travel all the way from different routes to reach their destinations, which are in Chandigarh. So people, the common people, are facing a lot of difficulties right over there. But this is going to be a challenge for the Chandigarh administration to maintain the law and order.
As you point out that there are difficulties as well. A quick question, that is, if you could quickly sum up that these talks have not had a headway as well.
Yes, exactly. No conclusion was drawn because CM Mann has said that these demands are with centre. I am just trying to initiate a conversation, but even when Mann had to leave the meeting, he asked the farmers that what is their plan for 5th of March. The farmers said that we will be agitating. So he said, Jao, dharna lagao. So this is what the man said. He said that I said this statement because I was angry, because I was sitting with them for 3 hours, and despite I was initiating the talks with them, I was trying to find a solution to the talks. The farmers were quite adamant. They were not agreeing on any part.
So Pavit, in a nutshell, despite the outreach as to how the Chief Minister looks at it, there has been no conclusion, which is why that reaction of his came through. But for the moment, thank you for joining us.